the fact that 57 very important leaders from Afghanistan have come to Pakistan to discuss the peace process, to further complement the process of reconciliation which is ongoing. I think it is a complementary effort. It should be seen in tandem with other processes going on, like the Doha process, like the Moscow format, like the China trilateral, like other international players contributing to the peace initiative. It's a very welcome development. You saw distinguished people here, names that matter in Afghanistan. Then we also have on the 27th the Afghan president and his team coming to Islamabad. So all this put together, I think, will send a very clear signal to Afghanistan that Pakistan and Afghanistan want to be on the same page.